Welcome back to St. Louis Children's Hospital Safety Stop here at Progress West Healthcare Center. Today I wanted to discuss briefly some of the different seat options that we have here for infants and toddlers. Recently there was an article published by the American Academy of Pediatrics, and they were recommending that children stay rear-facing in a safety seat that's appropriate for them until the age of 2. A lot of times that brings questions, so I wanted to try and help you and show you what we have here that we can offer you to take care of this need. So the first seat that I want to show you is an infant seat. This particular infant seat is called the Designer 22, and it's meant for children between the weight range of 5 pounds to 22 pounds. What basically would happen is, after your child is 22 pounds, they may not be old enough to be forward facing. So we would then encourage a next step seat that would allow you to do that. All of the information that you need about your seat and whether or not it's meeting your needs with your child is found in a couple of places. One, you have the book that came with your seat, and it's got all sorts of great information on it as far as installation, but what are the requirements for this seat. And then, along with that, on the side of the seat, you can check out the information here, but it'll also tell you a weight and height requirement. The next seat that I have here that I just wanted to show you is something that we are seeing more and more with infant seats, and that is, this is a seat that will go up to 35 pounds. So it starts at 5 pounds and will go to 35 pounds rear facing. 35 pounds could be a little over 2 years even, depending on the child. So this is another great option that we have here at Safety Stop. A lot of times folks will come in and they have that 25-pound 8-month-old. That is not that convenient to tote them around anymore in these carriers. And what we have here at Safety Stop to offer you is a convertible seat. And this is the kind of seat that you would want to talk about transitioning into. A seat like this can be rear-facing. So basically they'll have a little bit of a kickstand here that we can pop out and will allow us to get that angle of the seat. This seat starts at 5 pounds, and it will allow you to keep your baby rear facing to 35 pounds. So this is a great seat option for a next step or a transition seat. You can then use this seat after your baby outweighs the harness weight rear facing. This seat can then be used forward facing up to 40 pounds. And that's what this little bear here is doing right there. We have another option for a convertible seat. That's this seat right here. It's called the Titan 5, and it's called that because this will allow you to rear face to 35 pounds and then forward face with the harness that's on here to 50 pounds, which is a good benefit these days. This will last you quite a bit of time. It also has some side impact crash protection that a lot of the seats will come with these days. So basically, we can help you here figure out what you need and what we have that'll suit those needs. And please feel free to stop by anytime that we're here or call the 454 Kids line, and we'd be glad to help you with questions about your infant into toddler seat.